If the network is already drafted, then use these 5 buttons. 2 of them offer openings into walls, and 3 of them offer openings into floors. Let's create an opening into this yellow duct. Choose the alignment and 3 points defining the outline of your network. Then position your marker. Use the same command for these 2 pipes. Choose the alignment and then choose the circle option in the command line. Select the first and second circle. The third point isn't needed, so you can validate the command now. Then position the marker. Using the same command, we are going to draw an opening for these 5 pipes and this rectangular duct. Choose the alignment and then place the 3 points in the most relevant places. First point here, second here, and for the third one, use the circle option in the command line. Then position the marker. Next, let's list the openings in a table using this command. Choose the relevant zone and then position the table.